Do the rich people keep things secret and say, "Don't tell them that"? Well, today, we're about to unveil the truth about why most people find themselves broke. Get ready to shatter the illusions and gain the knowledge that will set you on the path to financial success. Hey there, young investors. Welcome to our channel, where we make investing easy, entertaining, and potentially so lucrative. I'm excited to dive into today's topic, why most people find themselves broke. But before we get started, let's rewind a bit and hear an intriguing story about the true origins of financial education. Picture this: a young boy, just 9 years old, curious about money and why it's not taught in school. His father, a highly educated man, reveals that the government restricts the subject of money from the curriculum. Determined to learn, the boy seeks advice from his best friend's father, who happens to be an entrepreneur. Through persistence and unconventional teaching methods, the young boy, now a young man, starts to grasp the concept of money and wealth. One of the fundamental lessons he learns is the power of playing Monopoly, a game that embodies real-life wealth-building strategies. Having a strategy. Just like in the game of Monopoly, one of the key reasons why most people find themselves broke is the lack of a solid investing strategy. Without a clear plan, it's easy to get lost in the vast world of investing and make impulsive decisions. Your strategy should encompass various elements, such as asset allocation, diversification, and a long-term perspective. By developing a well-thought-out strategy, you'll be better equipped to navigate the financial markets and maximize your chances of success. An investing strategy is the blueprint that guides individuals toward achieving their financial goals while managing risk. A well-defined investing strategy involves careful consideration of factors such as risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives. Diversification, a cornerstone of effective investing, entails spreading investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and optimize returns. Moreover, investors often adopt either an active or passive approach. Active investors engage in frequent buying and selling, aiming to outperform the market. Passive investors, on the other hand, opt for a more hands-off approach by tracking market indexes, reducing the impact of market volatility. The key to a successful investing strategy lies in aligning it with one's unique financial circumstances. Long-term investors may prioritize a buy-and-hold strategy, allowing their investments to grow over time, while others might explore short-term trading for quicker returns. Regularly reassessing and adjusting the strategy in response to changes in the financial landscape ensures its continued relevance and effectiveness. Ultimately, a well-crafted investing strategy acts as a roadmap, guiding individuals toward their financial aspirations while navigating the dynamic world of investing. And sticking to that strategy helps dealing with emotions and market fluctuations more easily. Emotions. Emotions. The silent saboteurs of financial success. Many people make the mistake of letting their emotions drive their investment choices. Fear and greed can cloud judgment and lead to poor decision-making. We'll delve into the psychological aspects of investing and how to master your emotions. Investing can be a roller coaster of emotions, and understanding how to navigate them is crucial for making sound financial decisions. One prevalent emotion is fear, often triggered by market downturns or economic uncertainties. When fear takes over, investors may impulsively sell their holdings, fearing further losses. Overcoming this emotion requires a rational assessment of the situation, reminding oneself of long-term goals and considering the historical resilience of markets. Greed is another emotion that can cloud judgment. In 3 years, 5 years. It arises during bull markets when investors witness others reaping substantial returns. Acting out of greed might lead to impulsive and risky decisions. Managing greed involves setting realistic expectations, diversifying investments, and sticking to a well-thought-out strategy, preventing the pursuit of unrealistic gains. Conversely, during periods of market exuberance, overconfidence can take hold. Investors might believe their success is solely due to skill rather than market conditions. The overconfidence can lead to excessive risk-taking and neglect of thorough research. A disciplined approach, continuous learning, and staying humble are antidotes to overconfidence. Ultimately, successful investors acknowledge and manage their emotions. They develop strategies to mitigate the impact of fear, greed, and overconfidence,
allowing them to make rational decisions aligned with their long-term financial objectives.
It's crucial to develop emotional intelligence when it comes to money. Explore strategies to overcome fear and avoid chasing trends or getting caught up in market hype. Instead, focus on making rational, informed decisions based on thorough analysis and a long-term perspective. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Knowing when to let go. Have you ever held on to a sinking investment, hoping for a miracle recovery? It's a common pitfall that can drain your financial resources. Explore the importance of cutting your losses and implementing risk management strategies. Successful investors understand the importance of knowing when to let go. There are several techniques, such as stop-loss orders and position sizing, to help protect your portfolio from significant losses. By cutting your losses early and reallocating your resources wisely, you can minimize the impact of bad investment decisions and preserve your capital for future opportunities. Knowing when to let go in investing is a crucial skill that can significantly impact financial success. Successful investors understand the importance of monitoring their investments and recognizing signals that indicate a need for change. One key factor is a thorough evaluation of the initial investment thesis. If the fundamental reasons for the investment have changed or the expected returns no longer align with the risk, it may be time to let go. Market conditions and economic factors can also prompt a strategic exit. Investors must stay informed about changes in the financial landscape, industry trends, and global events that could impact their holdings. Setting predefined exit points or implementing trailing stop-loss orders can help mitigate potential losses. Emotional intelligence plays a vital role in knowing when to let go. Emotional attachment to an investment can cloud judgment, leading to delayed or misguided decisions. Rationality and a clear-headed assessment of the situation are essential. In essence, the ability to let go in investing involves a delicate balance of objective analysis, market awareness, and emotional discipline. Recognizing when an investment no longer serves its intended purpose or when conditions warrant a change is a skill that distinguishes astute investors and contributes to long-term financial success. Borrowed money. Another trap that many people fall into is the temptation to use borrowed money or live beyond their means. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of consumer debt and excessive spending. There are some dangers of living paycheck to paycheck. Using borrowed money, also known as margin trading, for investing can amplify gains, but it comes with substantial risks that make it a strategy unsuitable for many investors. One primary concern is the magnification of losses. When an investment goes south, not only is the initial capital at risk, but borrowed funds compound the potential losses, leading to financial devastation. Additionally, interest costs associated with borrowed money can quickly erode gains and turn a profitable investment into a losing one. Market fluctuations are inherent, and using borrowed funds exposes investors to the risk of margin calls, demands for additional funds to cover potential losses. Failure to meet margin calls may result in forced liquidation of investments at unfavorable prices. Moreover, the unpredictability of financial markets makes it challenging to accurately time investment decisions. Using borrowed money requires precise market timing to cover interest costs and generate profits, a task that even seasoned investors find challenging. In conclusion, using borrowed money for investing is a high-risk strategy that can lead to substantial financial losses and long-term consequences. Prudent investors often prioritize a more conservative approach, relying on their own capital to weather market volatility and build a more sustainable investment portfolio. Just some practical tips. It can help greatly to implement practical tips on budgeting, saving, and making wise financial choices. For budgeting, track your expenses. Create realistic budgets that reflect your income and financial goals and include savings as a non-negotiable part of your budget. For saving, set clear saving goals that give your savings a purpose. Make saving a seamless and consistent part of your routine by setting up automatic transfers, and regularly review your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. For making wise financial choices, take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, establish a budget, and consider the long-term impact. Building wealth requires discipline and a commitment to financial responsibility. Explore the concept of living within your means, which means spending less than you earn and saving and investing the difference. In a different video, we will discuss the power of compounding, the importance of an emergency fund, and the benefits of creating a solid financial foundation. So, my fellow young investors, we've unveiled some of the main reasons why most people find themselves broke. But here's the exciting part. Armed with knowledge and a well-defined strategy, you can avoid these pitfalls and pave your own path to financial abundance. Remember, finding a real teacher and continuously expanding your financial education is vital. Whether it's through books, mentors, or immersive experiences, always strive to grow your knowledge and challenge the limiting beliefs that hold you back. As we wrap up this video, I want you to embrace the power of finding your own game financially, business, real estate, stocks. There are countless avenues to explore. Discover your passion, learn the necessary skills, and embark on your own journey to financial success. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep investing wisely and watch your wealth grow. This is Investing Insights signing off. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and strategies to help you become a savvy young investor. See you soon.